Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Nissan Qashqai 1.5 dCi N-Connecta, a stylish and efficient SUV designed for comfort and practicality. Featuring a panoramic glass roof, it offers an enhanced driving experience with a spacious and airy cabin. The SUV stands out with 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a raised stance, making it ideal for city and long-distance driving. At the rear, the Qashqai features LED taillights, a power tailgate, and a 360-degree camera, providing convenience and visibility while parking. Powered by a 1.5-liter DCi diesel engine, the Qashqai offers excellent fuel efficiency and smooth performance. The manual transmission ensures a responsive and controlled drive, while cruise control enhances long journeys. At the front, the Qashqai boasts a V-motion grille, sleek LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper, giving it a modern and dynamic look. Step inside to experience black cloth seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a premium cabin feel. Advanced technology includes a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a navigation system for seamless journeys. The spacious rear seats provide ample legroom for passengers, with split folding functionality to maximize cargo space when needed. With a large boot capacity, the Qashqai is designed for practicality, making it perfect for family trips and everyday use. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration VK67UJB to book a test drive or request a video tour.